Welcome at Lehmannaudio. Today I have the pleasure to introduce our Black Cube Statement phono stage. The Black Cube Statement is our entry-level phono stage, but sonically it is punching far above its price class. Key benefits of the Black Cube Statement are a very low noise amplification. This means you hear music and nothing else. We have a very high flexibility because we have 4 different gain settings between 31 and 61 dB. We have an independent adjustment of gain and impedance loading. We have a very good channel tracking due to either high precision or even selected parts, and this means we have a very stable stereo image. We have a very credible rendering of transients, space and tonal colors. The Black Cube Statement can be placed very unobtrusively close to the turntable, and this is because the audio section is very small. Like all other Lehmannaudio products, the Black Cube Statement is manufactured completely in Germany, and like all other products, every single unit will be tested with our audio precision measurement system before shipping. World market leader Autophone has been using the Black Cube Statements since 2006 already at the cartridge manufacturing and test facility. This means every single cartridge that comes from Autophone in Denmark has been connected to a decent phono stage at least once. This is how our Black Cube Statement looks when you get it at your dealer's place. After you have opened the box, you will find the audio section, the external 24 volts DC wide range switching power supply, the primary adapter for your specific mains outlet, the 5-language printed manual, the information leaflet, the warranty registration form in case you want to send us the registration by postal mail, and for your convenience you may use our online registration on our website. And then there's a small package with an Allen key and jumpers. More about that later. The Black Cube Statement is a so-called inline phono stage. This means on the one side there are the inputs and on the other side there are the outputs. This is also reflected on the sticker of the top side. Where the inputs are, there's also the ground connector where you can connect either open end or cable shoe or 4mm plug of the ground wire of your turntable, and on the output side there is the connection to the power supply. Most fundamental configurations are easily accessible through the dip switches underneath. With all 4 switches in the off position, the setting is MM47K. This means as long as you do have an MM cartridge, you can start with the Black Cube Statement as it is right out of the box. Most settings are very easy to realize. The Black Cube Statement has also some expert features accessible after opening the unit. The gain jumpers inside are activated by default, but can be pulled out to lower the gain if needed. Activating the soft bass roll-off filter by plugging in the jumpers results in a soft fade-out of frequencies below 50 Hz with 6 dB per octave. This can help with either warped records or loudspeaker placement near the walls, for example. The output capacitors can be bridged by plugging in the jumpers there. Please understand that in this case a small DC output voltage can be present at the output connectors, and please activate this feature only if you are sure that the following input stage has a DC protection unit. Now you are familiar with our Black Cube Statement phono stage. If you want more, for example a higher maximum gain to accommodate even very low output MC cartridges, or simply more details in the music reproduction, or a higher credibility of room and soundstage rendering, or an upgrade path to an even much better power supply, then consider our Black Cube phono stage right away. If you want more than that, for example much better connectors, a very extensive bass filter management and even faceplates in different colors, then go straight away for our Black Cube 2 phono stage. Thank you very much for your time. Now I wish you pleasure and enjoyment with your analog music collection.